Welcome guys. If you want to get iOS launcher on your Hammer Iron 3, in a few steps I'm going to show you how you can get it in a really easy way. But for the first I'm going to delete this launcher. And right now we are back with the stock Iron launcher. So let's go for the Play Store. Right now we have to tap on the search pool and type iOS launcher. We have to get application from the Looting developer. There's the first one. And the name is Launcher iOS 13. So click, tap install, and right now just wait a little bit. Tap on the home button, and right now you have to select the iOS launcher right here, click always, and as you can see we get notifications, so click on the we got it, and here we are with our new iOS launcher on the Hammer Iron 3. And if you want to get also the control center from the iPhone, because when you're going to swipe up with notification bar you get the stock Android bar, right? So if you want to get this control center from the iPhone, you have to enter the iOS launcher 13, click allow a few times, go for the control center, click OK, and right now you have to get this application and just install, and then you will get this control center. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!